Welcome to Northtown Lexus. I'm Jeff Martin. Today I'm going to take a couple minutes to show you a couple features of the 2025 and 2026 Lexus UX250h. Specifically, we're going to talk about the battery. Because the battery is located in the trunk of the vehicle, as it is with other Lexus hybrid models, in the event that you lose power to the car and you have to jump start the battery, you won't be able to get into the trunk and access the battery until you actually jump the vehicle. Lexus has designed all of our hybrid models to give you the ability to still jump them underneath the hood, and I want to show you how to do it so that you know how. I've popped the hood on the Lexus UX. Only thing you need to do is over on the right side of the car here, you'll need to locate the fuse box. It's right here. It's very easy to open. There's 3 little clips. Just push them inward and the cover lifts right up like this. Right in the middle of the fuse box, you're going to see a red cover with a positive on it, just like it would be on the battery. This little clip right here lifts up. This right here acts as the positive terminal for your jumper cables if you're going to jump start the car. All you will do is attach the positive red jumper cable to the positive terminal here in the fuse box. The black negative terminal, you can put it anywhere along the middle of the car. I usually just attach it to any one of the metal screws right here. That'll give you a ground. Once you do that, if you've got a jump box, you can turn it on, or if you have another vehicle, you can turn it on. That should be enough juice to get the vehicle started at that point. Normally what I would do then is I would pop the trunk open while I have power. Now I have access to the battery, depending on if you're going to charge it or you just need to, get home.